Hello my dear earth element like Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. So in this video we are going to see about your September month prediction for love life and career reading. So guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So please give your support, please do like, share and subscribe, please give your subscription, like please do subscribe my channel. So your each and every support and subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely has to go this channel as well. So let's start the reading for the air element like Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. Okay, so guys, if at all your zodiac sign is Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, you can watch this video now. So let's see what will be happen for the air sign in this September month. Okay, Six of Swords. Okay, so the first card we get a Five of Swords. Okay, we get 5, we get 6, 5 of Swords and 6 of Swords, and next we have a Knight of Wands card. Okay, you maybe deal with any kind of a fire element, I think so, any kind of a same fire element, water element, or else same earth element. Next we get a Two of Cups. Ooh. And next we get a Six of Wands. Next we get a Hermit, a major arcana card. And next we get a Page of Cups. And next we get Nine of Swords. So let me want to clarify one thing here. Let me first clarify that so that I can give you some kind of a better guidance. Okay. So okay, cool, I haven't checked. So when it comes to your relationship part, I can see that you maybe think that this person is treating you as an option, or this person is not be like true towards you. You maybe think that this person is not showing their like true feelings, or this person is treating you like an options, or this person is being like very vulnerable. This person is creating some kind of problems rather than they want to be like emotional, they want to be have an healthy relationship. So you maybe think that this person is creating some kind of a dramas and chaos in your life. Okay, but I can see that yeah, you maybe think that this person do have an option, that's the reason they are treating you like an optional, like the way you can also think about that as well. Okay, but I can see that this relationship is be like very mutual, and I hope so you may be dealing with some person who is be like strongly with the fire element like Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Could be you are dealing with a Leo, and I can see that like same earth element as well, like Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, and I can see a little bit of water element like Pisces, Cancer and Scorpio. Okay, so you maybe deal with any kind of element, but this element is be like very dominant here, the fire next to air, and third is be like a water. Okay, so you can see that this person will try to open up something, this person will try to bring some kind of clarity on your table. This relationship will be go like very mutual. This relationship have a good partnership and good understanding in the September month. Okay, so if at all you are planning to be get married with this person, if at all you are planning to have a long term with this person, a long term relationship or something like that, that is some kind of a good proposal offers will be coming on your way. You can definitely proceed with some kind of good offers when it comes to a marriage kind of an offers, when or else anything like a proposal kind of an offer. Okay, so you maybe think that this person have been treated you like an option from the past, and you have been walk away from this situation. You are be like very lonely. You maybe think that this person do have any other option, so that you want to be like get out from this person, like get out from this person life, you or be like very isolated yourself. But right now I can see that things are going in a very fast forward moment. Things will be going in a very better way. Things will be get some kind of progress here. Okay, so don't you won't be in this energy anymore. like a sleepless night and thinking about a lot on your head, and feeling that you are be like very very disturbed by other person, thinking that you are regretting about something. No, don't be worry about it, okay? So something has been like very very progress here, something has been like very fast forward movement, and it will definitely be like very very fruitful for you. And I can see that there is some kind of a good opportunity, some kind of a good proposal, a marriage proposal, or else like love kind of an offers. So there is a lot of proposals is coming on your way, okay? So when it comes to the relationship status also, there is a beautiful improvement is coming on your relationship for the September month. And at the same time, when it comes to your career, there may be some kind of when it comes to your career, you should be more focused, okay? The person around you will try to will try to like manipulate you, or will try to put your energy down when it comes to your career, when it comes to your job, career, money kind of a purposes. Like if at all you're dealing with any kind of an business or whatever it could be, okay? People will try to figure out their own profit, they will try to drag you down. So you should need to be like very very conscious when it comes to your career financial part, okay? And if at all you are taking the charge of your own life when it comes to your career thing, when it comes to your financial thing, if at all you're trying to take your charge on your own life, then it will be bring some kind of a good profit for you, rather than don't trust other person, rather than don't try to reach out to other person for the help, like financial help or something like that, okay? People will not treat you in a very good way when it comes to your career, when it comes to your financial part. People will try to find out, even though they know that you are struggling on your financial way, they are still want to make the profit on their own side, not on your side. They won't try to help you, okay? So these are the thing I can see for the air element. But anyway, when it comes to the Sarva month, you should need to be conscious on your career side when it comes to your financial side, okay? So that is the main thing here for the air element. I can see that rest of the thing for the relationship wise, I can see a good improvement, a good a good improvement is coming on your way. There is no need to be worried at all. But in your financial status as well, I can see a good and better improvement, because when I took some kind of a card for to get some kind of a clarification, I get this Ace of Pentacles, and you can see this 8 of Wands and 9 of Cups and 9 of Pentacles, again the 3 of Pentacles, and upper deck as well we get this the Emperor card, and we get this Ace of Swords, okay? So it has been like a positive sign only, so that it's not like you will be like it's not like you will be like face some kind of a blockages in your financial or in your career state, okay? Money flow will be good. But one thing you should need to remember, that you need to take a one decision, you need to put an effort, rather than trusting somebody, rather than relying on somebody. You should need to take a step, you should need to put an effort, you should need to hard work. That will be become fruitful for you, that will be bring some a good opportunity on your table, okay? So you should need to be focused on yourself, you should need to take a stand for yourself, you should need to be more courageous, and you should need to be like more and more conscious when it comes to your financial status. Don't try to rely on somebody, don't try to trust somebody that yes, this person has be like very genuine person and this person will give you the money. No, it's not work like that. Even though they are be like very genuine, even though they are be like very close kind of a friendship, they won't help you, honey, they won't help you. They know that you are struggling on your financial part, but still those person will try to focus on their own personal growth, not your growth. They won't be helpful. So this thing you should need to be have in your mind, like very sticky, okay? So please try to focus on your own effort when it comes to your career part, and that will bring you some kind of a good progress on your way. So these are the thing I can see in your reading. So I hope it could bring some kind of a clarity, and I hope it could be resonant with you guys. If at all this is resonant with you, if at all you like my channel, if at all you like my reading, please give your like, share and subscribe. Please give your support for my channel. And if at all your friends and family members may love the tarot reading, please recommend a channel to them. And if at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can definitely reach out either on my WhatsApp or else on my Instagram. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can check with that. And as well as so guys, like the way you are giving your support on my YouTube account, please give your support on my Instagram account as well. And one more thing, again and again I want to repeat the same thing, guys. Please do subscribe. Please do subscribe, because your each and every subscription will definitely motivates me a lot, and it definitely helps to grow this channel as well. And for the next reading, we can see about your love life reading for the September month. So stay tuned, guys. See you in the next reading, and love you all. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.